To connect a Wi-Fi printer to your phone so you can print things like documents and stuff from your phone, there's only two things you have to do. You have to set the printer up, which really is just a matter of turning it on and then adding in the Wi-Fi network credentials. Make sure the Wi-Fi network that you connect your printer to is the same one that your phone is on. I'm in the settings on my phone. It shows the Wi-Fi network right there. So for me, I'll have to connect the printer to that same network for my phone to be able to connect to that printer to print. So that's the first thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do is make sure that your printer is on and ready to print. If you have those two things figured out, we can then open a document that we can print. I'm going to open a document, a PDF in the Files app. You can do this right here. Stop scammers. This is a document I created for my viewers on this channel. Anybody who wants it, it's free. All you have to do is go to my website via this QR code. You can scan it with your phone, or you click a link in the description down below if that's more convenient. And then you can just enter your email address and get this document that you can then print off using the same process. So once we have the document open that we want to print, we tap on the share button down here and we see a print icon. If we tap on that, we will see either that the printer is connected or it's going to show no printer. And then you just tap on this and you can select an available printer on here. If your printer does not show up, then there's been an error in one of three things. The first one, it's on a different Wi-Fi network. The second one, it's not turned on and ready to print. The third one, there's some kind of error on the printer itself, preventing it from connecting to your phone and being able to print. So check on those three things and make sure those are all tickety-boo, and then your printer should appear here. Then you can pick your various print options, tap the print button when you're ready to print, and Bob's your uncle. You're printing from your phone onto a Wi-Fi printer. And while you're at it, you might want to empty the trash cans on your phone. You can find up to 10 gigabytes of space on your phone, according to some viewers of this video. This is the video right here, so check that out to get more space on your phone. And if you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.